y'all, I know I've been gone for like a long time, so y'all getting these videos like a year late, but this is when I first got the hair, whatever, and y'all could see it was looking bad. My regular hair was looking bad. You know, it's okay. We just gonna get into it how we get into it. But yeah, so I picked my hair out and everything, you know, had to make sure it was good enough to braid, you know, showing y'all the inches, you know, because the hair was growing back in the day. Not back in the day, this is like a year ago, but whatever. I don't know. This is my first time doing a voiceover, so period. I think I'm doing a pretty good job. Um, yeah, I really don't know what to be saying, but y'all should comment right now, like the video, subscribe to my channel, because I'm gonna actually start posting more and stuff. And yeah, we just gonna watch me. Ooh, naps, girl. Anyways, we gonna watch me do this and hopefully get it together. Okay, look, inches. Stiff wear. So I've been fast forwarding a lot through a lot of stuff because I'm trying to like keep it entertaining but also not drag the video, because I want to have like short videos, because long videos I know y'all don't really like those. So yeah. Teach me how to Dougie. Teach me how to Dougie. Okay, so this is when I pick my hair out for the braids. You know, gotta get that sulfurate. So what's it, sulfurate, so you can get the braids done. This one had the braids, you know, bald headed vibes, you know, but okay. Anyways, these are my braids. You know, I was singing. You know, I was gonna let the song play, but I'm not gonna get copyrighted. So you know, look at me vibe out. Period. Oh my gosh, if I've been doing the voiceover this entire video, because I don't know how to do it and I didn't learn or nothing. So, but yeah, this my hair. It be braided. Hold up. Inches. Period. Shake. Stiff wear. Oh, y'all shaking. Anyways. So yeah, if I did the voiceover this entire time, y'all should like the video, subscribe, and comment, because I don't know how to do it. I didn't learn to do it, and yeah, we just gonna hope it worked, because if not, the video gonna be silent, or with that music like they have. And never mind. Bye. Y'all see the wigs? Yup, y'all see them? Yup. So we gonna do this one because this is the safest option, because I kind of know what I'm doing already, and it's the best one that they gave me. So no tea, no shade. But yup, hold up. Big forehead vibes. Those is my mask. You know what? Don't look over there. And lips looking chapped. Anyways, gonna watch this, and I'm gonna make it good, and y'all gonna be like, oh my gosh, that is so amazing. Yeah. Okay. Okay, so I washed her. Got the, I don't even know what I'm gonna name this one, so put it in the comments. We can name it together. But yeah, so I'm gonna blow dry it out, everything, get it right. The inside wet, so I'm holding it by this thing and the other thing. I don't know what it's called. Okay guys, this is my first time making a YouTube video about hair. I don't know. But me very much Ariel, very much Little Mermaid. Ew, I'm not gonna do it again. But this how she looking. This how I'm looking. But yeah, get into it. Get up in it. Yeah, we gonna. Yeah, it's. I don't know. It's okay. Cause we're gonna make it look decent. Okay, for real. Let me stop playing. Get right to it. All right. Oh, I'm facing the wrong direction. Okay, that's my deodorant. Okay. Gonna put this on. Y'all already know I know how to do this, I think. If y'all see my Instagram before I delete all my pictures, y'all know, might as well follow my Instagram. When I post a picture, y'all can be like, so yeah. But boom. Wig cap. I'm gonna, you know? So yeah. I just said so yeah 3 times. Obviously, I don't know what else to say. I'm gonna put this on. It's gonna look cute. I got this. I'll be back when it's on. My head is hot, but we're gonna put this got to be on. I forgot I was probably doing a voiceover, but I feel like it's not gonna work, so that's why I'm talking right now. Anyways, got that guts to be finished, you know? And then let that dry. Then do probably 2 layers of this. I only did 1 layer of one, so I'm gonna do 2 layers of this one. And then I'm gonna use, where did the thing go? It's a thing I showed y'all before, I think. I'm gonna just have it smooth like that because they said it's smoother when you use the little thing. I don't know what it's called, but yeah. It's dangerous. This thing, and I'm gonna use it to do that. I used it to do the edges too. Anyways, take this, cut it into 3 parts. I think I was supposed to do that to the lace, not this, but whatever. Same difference. Okay, I smoothed that part down, you know, gotta cut this side. Get this side smooth, you know the vibe, you know the boom, right there. Like that, period. Okay, so I cleaned it up with the rubbing alcohol, you know, make sure you get all that extra glue off. We in there, look, right there in the skin. Melted, period. Now I gotta actually, it's okay. We gonna flat iron it, and she gonna be looking, hold on. She gonna, what? Oh, period. Oh, that's my head in the mirror. Yeah. Okay, y'all, so y'all see it in the mirror, this side done, this side not. It is 10 something. I'm gonna be sleepy. I got school tomorrow. But look, okay, so this will be the before, right? I'm talking wow, right? Anyways, look at this. Ooh, get into it. Look. Get into it. Period. And then this side, you know, doing what it do. But yes, look at the transformation. Like, yes. So I don't even know if I'm gonna do this side like tonight because I'm so freaking tired. Like, I don't even know. I'll think about it. I think I'm gonna just take a break, get some of the juice, some I'm too tired for this. I'm gonna take a break, get some juice, something to eat, come back, and if I'm not tired, I'll do this side. If I'm also, if y'all want a morning routine, you know, comment down below. And since y'all gonna be down there, might as well like the video, subscribe, all that. But yeah, period. Pause before I even do that. So this one, I used this one first, right? And that's why it's kind of like that up there, kind of dark. But I put this one and it was like sizzling and stuff, and I didn't like the way that sound, and it was like dripping. I was like, no. So I started using, oh Jesus, I started using the She Is Bomb collection hair wax stick. And yes, I don't know why I read that, y'all can read, but yeah, I used this one and it was no bubbling or any of that stuff, so probably use this one instead. But this one worked too. It's just it was bubbling, making no, but it's still good. They both good, just this one's better. Okay, I don't even know if this is straight. It don't look straight, but that's the middle. Yeah, that's the middle. Anyways, I'm gonna get these edges right. I don't really know how to fix the other parts of the wig, to be honest with y'all. I watched like 2 TikToks. I don't know what I'm doing, but yeah, we're gonna look good. That's my ponytail. Okay, anyways, yeah. Okay, get into the edges. You know, we got Wendy, little Miss Wendy here, you know, with the 2 pigtails. Is that what Wendy's have? Yeah, that's what Wendy's have. Period. So yeah, these gonna be the edges. Gonna like that, and it's gonna be cool. Period. Get into it. Okay, so I just outlined it where I'm gonna cut it at, but not like super close so I can fix it later. So, you know, leave a little space. But this how we looking. I have a shirt on. But yeah. Got a shift at 10 a.m. Song. Get that cash. Lunch break. I ain't had a lunch break in about timeless. I bet you wish your name was Mrs. Carter, huh? Wee. Okay, y'all, so I did the edges. I did the edges and scared. Okay, man up, bro. We do this. We do this wig thing, okay? We made the bald head look bald head and stuff. So we could do some edges. They're just edges. Okay. I heard the crunchiness. Not a fan. Okay. Is it good? I'm not gonna look. Okay. Oh, hold up, get into it. Okay, not close. Don't get into it up close. But get into it far away. Give me very much scalp, very much edges is mine. Period. Get into it. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? Okay, because I was really eating the girls up. I don't care what y'all say. Get into it. Because I did that by myself, period. You know what I mean? So don't forget to subscribe. Am I supposed to be looking? Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, share. Tell your friends, tell your auntie, to tell your sister, tell your brother, tell your dog, sitters, cousin to follow my channel, because subscribe to my channel, because period. Anyways, yeah, subscribe. And I'll see y'all in the next video. Y'all know I'm inconsistent, so I don't know what it's gonna be, but I'm gonna post. So subscribe so y'all can get the notifications and stuff. Okay, for real. Bye.